All right, to a COVID alert now, and Pfizer has now submitted its data to the FDA seeking approval to use its COVID vaccine in children ages 5 to 11. News 12's Christine Nzinga has the details.
When it comes to students, Long Island currently has the second highest rate of COVID-19 cases in the region. That's according to the state's report card system.
Close to 4,000 lab-verified cases were found among those 5 to 17 years old on Long Island, according to state officials. That number second only to New York City, that reportedly showed over just 6,500 cases.
The overwhelming majority of those are unvaccinated either by age or unvaccinated by choice in those younger adolescents who are 12 and older. This remains a huge concern.
Dr. Matthew Harris is the medical director for Northwell Health Vaccination Program. He says the good news is that today Pfizer submitted initial trial data for its COVID-19 vaccine in 5 to 11-year-olds. That dose will be just a third of what is given to adults. The heads of both the Nassau and Suffolk Schools Superintendents Association released a joint statement that said in part, quote, "While the rise in COVID-19 cases in our region and in our schools is concerning, school districts throughout Long Island remain vigilant in enforcing our health and safety protocols, and we ask for our community's continued collaboration in adhering to this guidance."
My message to parents that once their children are eligible for vaccination, to please get them vaccinated. It's something that we need to do, eliminate this virus.
Peter Silver is the medical director at Cohen Children's Medical Center. He says we're not out of the woods yet when it comes to COVID, but he says we are headed in the right direction here on Long Island.
Last week, we admitted 4 children with COVID and released another 16 from our emergency department.
When it comes to the vaccine for 5 to 11-year-olds, Pfizer says it will make a formal request to regulators for emergency use in the coming weeks. Christine Nzinga, News 12, Long Island.